What's going on, everybody? Wilson here with the Cali Collective Project, and I'm super excited that you are here because I was there where you are last year. Boom. Look, you see this? You see this? You see this right here? Look, $100,000, July 4th, 2021. Okay? I wrote it down. That's what I wanted to do, and again, we did it. And I think it's super important to help and educate people because last year I was barely making 30,000 to where we are right now, making over 120,000, projectively going to hit 225,000 over the next couple months because we got some projects in line. Now, what this webinar is going to teach you and educate you is how to change your mindset, because that's what happened with me. I had to change my mindset and then understand how to position myself and the project to the client in order to start closing these higher ticket items over a longer period of time and then securing the cash flow, which is super important because when there's cash and there's cash in the bank, then things get easier. Everything from hiring an editor, having a second camera crew, and investing in equipment, taking your girlfriend, boyfriend, wives out, whatever you need to do to dinner and making sure there's money there. It feels good to go from having very little to having enough and continuing to grow within the business and then within your life. And so that's why I'm super excited to be able to teach you that, because it happened. It happened to me. For the longest I struggled. I promise you, for the longest I've struggled. I'm like, when is this going to change? And it changed once I understood these couple of components that I want to share with you. Well, we're going to share with you anyway. We're going to share with the people that actually signed up to come to the webinar. Now, investment. Let's talk the investment. The investment is $3,000, and it may sound like a lot to you. I know it would have sounded like a lot to me when I was barely making $30,000, but I promise you, it's a great investment because everything I'm going to teach you is going to help you get to that six-figure income. Okay. Now, the money back guarantee works this way. If you go out and try it on your own and fail, then come back. We're willing to work with you one-to-one at no extra cost, even though we do charge for one-to-one calls. And then from there, even if that doesn't work or you're not comfortable, I'm willing to hop on a call with you with your next client to close that deal with you. Now, if that doesn't happen, we're going to give you your money back. Okay. But that's why it's a no fail guarantee, because there's no way it's not going to happen. So I'm very, very happy and very easy. And people are like, man, you're really going to give a money back guarantee? You sure you want to do all that? Absolutely, I do. Because if I can't do it, if I can't do it and you can't do it, then I'm going to give you your money back. All right. But I know that I can do it, and I know you can do it because I've done it. And all we need is just a little structure, a little practice, and you're going to be doing it too. And I can't wait. I can't wait to get, the testimonials to hear all these things that you guys are going to be able to do after you share. Okay, so a couple of the things that I want to share with you in terms of the people that, if you do secure your spot, here's what you're going to get. There's going to be a couple perks. One, you're going to have access to our Discord community. Same thing. We're going to grow this community and make it awesome. Any questions, any comments, success stories, you're going to be able to share there. You're going to have access to refresh. Now, what does that mean? Is anytime we have this webinar again, you're going to have the opportunity to hop back in, refresh the material, talk about your success stories, et cetera, et cetera. So you'll have full access to this webinar again. If we do it again next year, you'll get your free ticket to keep coming. You have an agreement template. We're going to provide a template that we use, very simple, very legal, but yet it's formulated in a way that when you present it to your client, it's very easy to take them through in your presentation, so that way you can close the client at that higher ticket price. I'm also going to give you a 6X essential rack card. Now, I'm going to call it rack card to go a little bit old school. But really, in essence, it's just a cheat sheet of all these, a couple of things, I would say 6 to 12 things that you're going to need to quickly understand, that you can review quickly before you hop on a call, and then quickly review before you hop on the presentation call with the client. So that way you're good to go, you're refreshed, you know exactly what to say, how to do it. And remember, guys, it's all practice. The more you do it, just like videography, the more you do it, the more you practice, you'll know your shutter speed, you'll know your rolls, your f-stop, and all that stuff. It's really the same thing when it comes to sales, but positioning yourself in this way to make sure they understand that, one, you know what you're doing, and two, that you're providing super value to them, that the number is not going to matter to them. And then the other two things that you'll get, two additional perks, is $500 off a one-to-one call. Now, if there's something that you are looking for to work on more, or you want to do a one-to-one to practice the presentation, then obviously we have $500 off the first call. And then the last thing is a chance to win a 50 millimeter 1.7 Minolta lens that I love shooting with. A lot of the stuff that we shoot with is Sony Minolta base. Again, if you like that, that's awesome. All the participants will get a chance to do that, and we're going to do the drawing at the end of the webinar seminar. And then for the first 50 people to sign up, if you're one of the first 50 people to sign up, you're actually going to get a one-to-one call that's included. You'll get a one-to-one with me for an hour. We'll go over your next presentation. We'll go over the things. I'll give you some feedback, and we'll just keep practicing until you're ready to go for that hour. So that's for the first 50 people that sign up. Now, the only thing that we're asking for is if you're interested, the tickets will go on sale this month in October. So make sure you sign up, add your email. We're only going to send you 2 emails. I'm not going to be one of those guys that keeps sending you emails a bunch of these times every month. That's not going to happen. I'm going to send you 2 emails. It's going to be one 24 hours before the event goes live, and then the second one is going to be 20 minutes before the tickets go live, because we're capping it at 350 people, right? 350 videographers that can get in, that are ready to learn this stuff and get ready to hit their 6 figures either for this upcoming year. Like, only 350 people. So the first 50 people to sign up will also get that one-to-one call. Got it? 2 emails going out 24 hours before and 20 minutes before. Looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to sharing the success. Obviously, you can see how excited I am, how much energy I have, because it feels good to be able to go from wherever we were to where you want to go, right? Like, I knew I wanted to be here. Like, my goal was to make $100,000. Oh man, hold on one second. Hold on. Boom. Look, you see this? You see this? You see this right here? Look. $100,000 July 4th, 2021. Okay. I wrote it down. That's what I wanted to do. And again, we did it. We did it. All right. That's why I'm so excited. So I can't wait to see you on the 6-figure side. Put your email in there. We'll talk to you guys soon. And I can't wait to see you guys back November 28th, 2022, where we're going to change lives and we're going to keep moving forward. All right, guys. We'll see you guys again soon.